The silent corners of nature. Spider webs create one of the most perfect bioengineering wonders on earth, the orb web. A spider web is not just a trap, it's a natural incredible masterpiece of architecture, physics, geometry, and survival. It's highly advanced survival design shaped by millions of years of evolution. Every thread and every angle has a purpose and meaning. Strength, flexibility, vibration sensing, and prey capturing, all built using the least amount of silk with maximum efficiency. The strong radial thread distribute force, hold the entire structure together, while the sticky spiral threads trap fast-flying insects with incredible precision. Even stable momentum may serve as a warning signs, camouflage, or insect attractor. Truly, spider web is a silent symbol of nature perfect design.